Hi, my name is Gail Hoffman, and I live in North Reddington Beach, Florida. And on behalf of Expert Village, I am going to demonstrate how to make Italian cream cake. Okay, so we place them into our preheated oven. And they're going to bake for about 30 minutes. And about halfway through, 15 minutes through, I'm going to go in and move them around a little bit just to ensure that they all bake evenly. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes and we're ready to turn our cake. And to actually rearrange them slightly. You want to be very careful to be gentle with them so that they stay nice and leavened. And just kind of rotate them around. And let them go for another 15 minutes.